2-pin connector, waterproof wire connectors, aviation connector for industrial, power, car and other indoor-outdoor male-female connectors, lock screw. 2-pin connector specifications. The working voltage of the power connector can reach 500 VAC, and the rated current is 50 A. General wire diameter, F3.0mm F2.0mm cable specification, 13mm superscript 2/6 AWG. Mounting dimensions, 28mm waterproof protection level, IP67. Package list, 1 male plug plus 1 female socket. High-quality material. Our 2-pin connector uses a PVT material shell that imports from abroad with stability, compression, anti-explosion, and anti-deformation. Use metal material flanges seat against high-frequency noise and electromagnetic interference. Using gold-plated contact with the superior performance of corrosion resistance and electrical conductivity effectively deals with temperature rise. Easy to install plastic connector. Cable connection type, lock screw. Adopt a bayonet type fast locking connection, which is convenient, fast, safe, and stable. The precise structure positioning system ensures the safety and stability of the connection performance. Note: prohibited to charged inserted. Perfect waterproof wire connectors. The waterproof connector design uses the multi-layer waterproof and sealing system, from the plug, socket the two ends of the sealed waterproof ring, to the end of the clip-line waterproof ring. Multi-layer waterproof design, to ensure your machine still maintains good connection performance under harsh external conditions. Wide application power circular connector. Aviation connector is ideal for any equipment for watertight, indoor-outdoor applications, such as outdoor electric tools or appliances, medical device, audio-video, robot, RV solar, communications, marine or automatic equipment, outdoor LED lighting, outdoor LED panels, solar energy system, outdoor security cameras, transformer, control box, machines equipment, packing machines, etc. Why choose our store? For product, quality has and always will be our core focus. Our connectors are made with an imported high-performance PVT plastic shell, metal components, gold-plated contact, and a waterproof silicone ring. Provide you with qualified terminals, meet your needs in a variety of wiring projects. We believe that our connectors can meet most of the wire connection needs. Whether you are working on your boat, vehicle, home, or a scientific project, our connectors will ensure a solid connection, stable transmission current, and weatherproof every time.